you ever feel nervous when you speak English even though you know the word? Or have you ever forgotten everything on stage even though you know all the things? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka here, and today I am here to give you proper roadmap. That is the thing that I am asked several times, but I was quite busy. That's why I couldn't give you, right? But today I am here to give you proper roadmap so that you can follow it and become a confident in your this language, this English language. See, I have done my studies and my graduation, my schooling from Hindi medium. But still, I am confident I am able to speak this language. And do you know how? Because I did a lot of effort. I was consistent in this language because I had done a lot of things behind that. And that's why I am able to speak this language, even though still I want to be a better version of myself. But that is another thing, right? The first thing that is very important to know your thought, to explain yourself powerfully. So, without delay, let's jump to the topic. So, today I am here to give you a proper roadmap so that you can fluent in this language. So, without delay, let's start. So, first and foremost, that is very important, is build a foundation. You should good at grammar, right? I am talking about just simple tenses. You should know when should you talk your present tense, when should you talk your past, and when should you talk about future tense. Right now, what I am doing, right? What I am doing if I want to talk about my hobbies. So here, or if I talk about any universal truth, then I will use present, right? You know very well. Or if I talk about my past routine or anything that happened with me in the past, then I will use past tense. And the same thing, if I want to speak anything about my plan or what I will do in the future, then I will use future tense. It's very easy, right? But the thing is, what we really make a mistake, we mix up it. Whenever we somebody asks you, tell me, what did you do yesterday? Yesterday, I go there. Here you make a mistake. So I went there. You should know what time, what should you use. Here you should use past tense. So it's very important to be a master in this language, to be a master in your past tense, to be a master future tense, and to be a master in a present tense, right? And I am not saying you just learn and you write everything or write all the rules that people usually do. Try to speak every day. Like today you learn about the present tense, then try to practice in your present tense. Like what are you doing? What is going on right now? What kind of thing that you really enjoy to do? So that kind of practice you should do every day. Second thing, again, it's very important that is listen actively. You have to listen. Whenever you get a chance, just try to listen. That really works. See how we learn our local language, right? We learn by listening. So same thing you have to do. You have to listen every day. So whenever you get a chance, so listen to a podcast. If you have a kind of environment, then speak with them or and try to observe how they are speaking. And the best part is that I have seen there are a lot of people who are making videos on conversational videos, but I feel like you should try to listen more with whom you can relate it, with whom you can understand it. That is very important. All right. Because I have seen, because for me, conversational video really helps me a lot because here I can relate myself, my culture, my religion, my work, my daily routine. So, and that really helped me to pick up word from there. So, whenever you get a chance, try to listen, whatever you like. You should know your genre. That is also important. So, some people who loves cricket, they loves to listen commentary, and that really work for them. For me, I am not into a cricket. oh, that really don't work for me. So it's very important to be an active listener. And when you listen, focus how they are pronouncing the word. Because here we make a mistake. Sometimes because of our mother tongue, we don't know how to pronounce that word. Sometimes we pronounce unintentionally. So it's very important to practice as they are doing. So the next part is that read and write. That I do, and it works for me really, and it will work for you. So first thing, what you have to do, just pick up any story book you like. If you have kids or anyone, if you love the story, try to listen a story book. In our childhood, our grandmother used to tell a lot of stories, like about Raja Rani or like elephant stories. There were so many stories that my grandmother used to tell me, and I loved to listen every day whenever I went to sleep with her. So the same thing you can do. You can read whenever you get a chance. Try to read a story, and not only read, try to write. Then you will know how much you have absorbed from there, how much you have learned from there. So it's very important to first, what you have to do, you have to read any story that you like it in a simple word. Don't go in an advanced story. In any simple word, try to read the story and then try to write. So whenever you get a chance, try to write. Or if you don't have a time to write it, you can practice in front of the mirror, same story. And I'm sure you will get stuck somewhere. Then what you have to do, again go read that story and again try to speak or write. You can do one thing, whatever, it's totally up to you, whatever you like. So that's how you can really master. Last but not least, stay consistent. Don't give up, right? So what most of the people do, they are more into this language just for a month or a 2 month, then they give up. But what you have to do, you have to do consistent practice. See, no one become successful overnight. They have to put a lot of effort. They have to do a consistent effort. Even though if you are doing a hard work, you are not able to see the result. But in the future, if you are a consistent, definitely you will get result. So try to be consistent. That really works for you. So my dear friends, try to be consistent. That really helps you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is going to be a beneficial for you and you will follow these tricks. And if you follow these tricks, no one can stop you to become a fluent. Definitely you will become. So follow these tips and become more fluent in this language. Thank you so much for watching. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And whatever you think about this video, give me in my comment box so that I can make it more better. Thank you so much for watching.